Okay, everybody, as you can see, so I ended up drilling all of them off instead of switching back between the two. So after I did the first, I tried it with just the larger drill bit. So instead of using the smaller one, I just used the larger one. And I'll just say it really is important to get it as centered as you can, because I did on this one and that one and that one, and I was able to drill down enough to where then it would just pop it off like I showed you earlier, and it was done, and I didn't damage the housing at all. If you're off center like on these two, it won't cut cleanly. So now I'm kind of stuck with that, and I didn't want to go further because I didn't want to damage that. Probably gonna have to take the smaller drill, go in, or maybe just take the sledge to it, pop those things out. Actually, I'm probably just gonna take the sledge to it, but if you're careful, you can get it down in. And so also the key is to take it and punch it down this way. You can't punch it back the other way because it has a lip on it. So if you try to punch it up, well, good luck, because you got that lip there. So you have to punch down to drive them out. No, all of the tabs look good. Didn't damage them. Got everything out. Let's look at the other side. Yeah, I thought I'd show this here for reference. So here's the old one. Okay. Here's a new one. Little bit of a difference, isn't there? I can't do this with this for nothing. I mean, this thing's solid as a rock. Anyway, that's why we replace them. So the next step will obviously be cleaning everything up. We've got the rest of those right here. The instructions, the screws, and that's what comes with the whole package from Six Center. And these are the screws that you've got to grind down. See if I can find something different or get something different online, or just use these and grind them down. So these are the tools that I used. The large drill bit. Let's see, I can see a good size. This one is a 3/8 because this is the closest I had. And the smaller one that I used that doesn't quite fit in the hole. I guess I could have probably used one of the other next ones, but it worked for drilling the top. Even though honestly I don't think you really need this one. This is a 13/64. But anyway, you can pretty much get away with this one, which is the 3/8. You just have to make sure that you start the drill is exactly in the center. So either take a punch or just get it right. I mean, I got them all right, or 4 of them right out of 6, so it's not too bad. But anyway, drilling them center is key, and then the thing will pop off, and then you just take a punch. First I used this one because it fit into the groove of the drill bit. And I got that to pound it in to where it at least started going through. Then I took a smaller one, and this one fits right through the hole. And I pounded that one, and then of course our trusty sledgehammer. So those are what I used to get these things out.